Alright, so in today's session, we'll be understanding how to solve sums based on present value for annual compounding, quarterly compounding, and semi-annual compounding with the help of an Excel. So please look at the video till the end. So here is the question with us, and father is planning for his son's further studies for MBA Finance. Son will begin college in 4 years and will need around rupees 70,000. So how much would father have to invest today at 6% compounded annually to have rupees 70,000 in 4 years time? So we know clearly from this question that we need to find the present value, but on what? On annual compounding basis. So let's understand how to use PV function for solving such sums in Excel. So let's go to the Excel now. So I have recorded the values of n, which is the number of years, future value which is 70,000, and rate of interest which is nothing but 6%. But remember, the 6% is compounded annually. Fine. Now I will show you how to use the PV function over here. So I will do it once again. Is equals to PV, then you press the tab button. After that, the rate you know as 6%, press comma, n per 4 years which is n, press comma, then PMT. Remember that PMT will always be 0 in this case. Why? Because there is a single cash inflow. Okay, if you are getting cash inflows in installments, or you are making cash payments in installments, then your PMT will be either 1, 2, 3 or 4. But in this case, you will get 70,000 in future value, which is a single cash inflow. So PMT here will be 0. Okay. Now the future value here will be 70,000. Just close the brackets and press enter. So that's how you get the value of present value using compounding annually basis. Okay, now remember one thing very carefully. Your present value will always be in this red color. Why? Because this is negative. And why your present value is always in negative? Let's take up an example. Suppose you come across a very needy friend and he is asking you for 100 rupees. Fine. You are a very kind-hearted person, so you give him 100 rupees. Okay, so what you are doing is you are giving rupees 100. गिविंग मतलब हाथ से पैसा जा रहा है मतलब माइनस हो रहा है. और माइनस कब हो रहा है? आज की डेट में मैं अपने दोस्त को पैसा दे रहा हूँ, मतलब आज की डेट में मेरे जेब से पैसा माइनस हो रहा है मतलब द प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इज इन नेगेटिव. Okay, so that's why present value is always in negative. Okay, so I hope you understood this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video and help me feeling motivated. Thank you.